Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to print Google Keep Notes. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Google Keep Notes. Here you can see a list of notes. If you want to print one of it, then simply tap on it or hold on it for a second. It will show you this kind of options. And now click on three dot that is located on top right corner. Now tap on copy to Google Docs. It will copy your notes to Google Docs. When it is done by copying to Google Docs, it will show you this kind of options. Now tap on open. Now open with Google Docs or Google Drive. Let me open with Google Docs. Now it is asking for request access. Let me switch my account. Tap and switch account. If it is asking, then select your ID, and now it will download your notes into Docs. So you can see, now tap on download and export or save to your file. Now your notes is in document format, so now you can easily print your Google Keep Notes. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.